Oh God. Oh no. So finally, we reached Radhanagar beach in Havelock Islands. It is the must-do activity in the whole of Havelock Islands. The most beautiful beach ever. So we just now entered this Radhanagar beach inside the Havelock Islands. So this looks stunning. I'm not sure if you could hear the sound of the waves. So come, let's go right into our little adventure. Heading to Radhanagar beach. So this is the entrance. It has got a checkpost, and there were nice tiny little huts out there. Lot of trees. So beautiful it is. Magnificent. So look at this beach, man. So stunning. Looks like in the cinemas. Like I used to watch all these beautiful places in the movies. Wow, man. Seriously amazing. This looks just amazing, man. Oh wow. Look at all these people. Look at those little huts. Look at the water. Strong waves. I think you got to be careful. Yep. Look at the wave. Yeah, feels amazing. So let's explore more. So right now we happen to reach Radhanagar beach in Havelock Islands. So I'm just thinking about taking a dip while my two other friends thought, they have got other ideas. They want to explore some other place. But I don't know, I feel like going into this water and then refresh myself. Okay? So I want you to show this little island. So look at those small huts and everything. Look at those. How beautiful they are, right? Look at all these trees. Look at this coast, man. It is all like sunny coast. Amazing, huh? I might look dark on this side. On this side, I might look better. Woo! So right now I'm about to go inside the water and then see how it feels like. Okay? Let's go into the water. I was very much eager to get into the water. Water was pristine, clear, strong waves. I'm up for a good time out here. Bring it on, Havelock. Let's get into the waters of the Radhanagar beach. So right now I'm strolling to the beach. So come on. This was actually our first experience in Havelock Islands. As we reached Havelock, we went to our room, and then from there we straight took our bikes which were rented out there in the hotel, and then we came to the Radhanagar beach. Once I saw the Radhanagar beach, I know I had to take a dip inside the water. It was so cool, it was so refreshing. It is one of the must-do activities in the whole of Havelock Islands. Must visit places. This is amazing, man. Super. I don't know why you guys are missing out on this. So Radhanagar beach inside the Havelock Islands. There were quite a few people out there when we reached. It was the best time. I think you should all try and go sometime in the afternoon, like around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Half an hour's bath. It was refreshing. Heading back to the Lemon Tree Resorts. Lemongrass. It was such a pleasant time I had. So refreshing, man. After 2 days of struggle. So this was the treat I happened to give it to myself. Heading back. After a refreshing bath, we're heading back to our resorts, which is called as Lemongrass Resorts and Spa. I like those huts actually. Look at those huts. Look at those trees. Really good, huh? Wow. Sun is about to set, man. Yeah. Back to we walk to our rented bikes. Look at those trees. It's a beautiful place, is it? There is something called as Andaman and Nicobar Emporium out there. Sagarika. Look at this spectacular view. It was in Havelock Islands as we're heading back to hotel. So as we reached our resort, the first thing we did was get a bike for rent, and then we paid like 400 per each day. They asked us to pay 500, but we said we'll stay for longer time and then give us some discount. So that's about it. So that's our time at Radhanagar beach. It's a must visit place, guys. It's one of the most beautiful beaches I have ever visited. So you can have a very good time, and the waves were very sharp. You got to be very careful with the waves. Waves are reaching greater heights, man. They are hitting us like left and right. You got to be careful. You got to watch the waves coming to your way and have an amazing time. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a good day. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.